Today, we're going to talk about the very popular sport of pickleball. Welcome to Sid's Tips. Hope you're having a great day, and I think pickleball looks so much fun. I used to play tennis. I can't play tennis anymore because of my back, and I can't play pickleball, but I'm going to share with you about this pickleball set. If you are interested, a beginner or family, then this set may be a way to go. So I connected with the company called Amicoson, who wanted me to just share with you about it. And granted that I am not a player, I can just share with you about the set, what's included. This company is ranked number 7 as far as pickleball equipment out on Amazon, and you can check my referral link to see what other people have to say about this set. They also come in a couple other colors as far as the paddle. So you get 4 paddles, you get 8 of these indoor-outdoor balls, which is a very nice value, and then you also get this nice bag that comes with it as well, so you can put all the paddles in here and the balls. So there you go. As far as the paddle, it's 7 plywood. So again, this is a beginner set. As you become more advanced, then you could get other types of material when it comes to the paddles. Weighs in at 9.1 ounces, so not too heavy. It's got a really nice rib grip, by the way. It feels good in the hand. I used to have a grip similar to that when I played tennis. And then you also have this strap, so in case your paddle slips out of your hand, it's still there with your wrist. So do check it out. Again, beginner or family, this would be a great set to go, and check out the other colors as well. I appreciate the company sending it to me, and for me sharing with you. If you are using this set, leave any comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you find this video help, by the way, greatly appreciate a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber and find I add value, then click that subscribe button. And of course, the bell icon, so you can be notified of new videos and new products like I'm sharing with you today. All right, have a great day, and I hope you enjoy playing pickleball. Take care.